She'll take you from A to Z and all the letters in between. You'll get a word of the day that you'll learn while you play. You'll have so much fun, just let me tell ya, when you're hanging out with Spellerella.
Hey Super Spellers! It's your girl Spellerella, and I thought today we could learn from home together. And I thought we could practice our rhyming words. Do you know what a rhyme is? A rhyme is when two words have the same sound when you say them out loud. So, for example, you can say head and bed. Do you hear how those words rhyme? Head, bed? Or frog and log? Yeah, that's what a rhyme is. So I thought today we could do some activities about rhyming. All right, it's rhyme time. Wait, that's a rhyme too. Rhyme time. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have so much fun. Let's do it. Okay, Super Spellers, let's see if I can get a word, our first word, to appear so that we can find what object rhymes with it. All right, ready? Okay, we got a word. It has 3 letters in it. Let's see if first we can read this word, okay? And then we'll see if we can find a rhyme. All right, so we have H-A-T. Let's make the sounds of the letters and see if we can hear the word. All right? H, a, t. H, a, t. Hat. Okay, hat. Let's see if we can find which object here, which kind of toy, rhymes with the word hat. All right? Let's see what we got. Okay, we got some Pop It toys. These are like those little toys you can push and the little circles pop. Yeah, it's like a French fry one. Okay, let's listen. Hat, pop it. Nope, that doesn't rhyme. Let's try this one. A lion. Lion, hat. No, that doesn't sound the same at all. All right, what's this? Cheese? Okay, let's see if we can hear that. Cheese hat. No. A bird. Let's see what this guy does. He's singing a song. Do you know what kind of bird this is? This is a cardinal. It's red and it makes that sound. So, bird, hat. No. Oh, ice cream? Ooh, it looks so delicious. It's like pink, maybe it's strawberry flavored. Okay, let's try it. Ice cream, hat. No. Do you see something? We have one object left. Okay, let's see. Do you know what this is, Super Spellers? Yeah, this is a rat. Like a big mouse. It's called a rat. Okay, let's see if that works. Ready? Rat, hat. It rhymes. We found the rhyming word. So the rhyming word for hat is rat. They have the same sound. Did you hear it? The at sound at the end? Great job. Okay, let's do another one. All right, are you ready to get another word? Okay, let's do it. Got another one. All right, I see a V, an A, and an N. Okay, let's read it. V, A, N. V, A, N. Van. A van. All right, like the type of vehicle. Okay, let's see if we can find something on this table that rhymes with the word van. All right, let's do it. Okay, where should I start? Let's start right at the front. Aw, he's so cute. We have a rabbit or a bunny. Let's see if that makes this the rhyme. Van rabbit. No, that doesn't work. Okay, he's so cute though. All right, let's try this. Oh, this is a type of truck. Do you know what type of truck this is? It has a bed that can lift and dump things out. Yes, this is a dump truck. Okay, let's see if that works. Van, dump truck. No, let's try it the other way. Dump truck, van. No, definitely not a rhyme. Okay. Oh, a web with a little spider in it. Okay, let's try it. Web, van. Definitely not, super spellers. Is there anything here that rhymes with it? What about this? A horse. Horse, van. Nope. We only have 2 things left. Okay, let's try this. Oh, do you know what this is? It might be something you take to school. Yeah, this is a bus. Let's look at it. Oh, the door opens. And a little stop sign comes out. And, oh, there's a button. Let me see. Do you hear that? I heard like a bell and some kids running. Whoa, and then it makes the sound of the bus driving away. Oh, I guess when you're done school and the bell rings and all the kids are excited and they run to the bus. Okay, let's see. Van, bus. Nope. What is this? Okay, so it has a handle. It has a dinosaur on the top. Do you guys know what kind of dinosaur this is? It has the big crest at the top. Yeah, this is called a Parasaurolophus. It's a pretty tricky word, right? Parasaurolophus. That's the type of dino this is. And there's some blades that spin. I'm gonna push this button and see what happens. I think we found it, super spellers. This is a fan. Let me see. Oh yeah, it just cools me right down if it's too hot. I think this might be the winner. Let's try. Fan, van. We got it! Oh my goodness, fan and van, they rhyme. All right, let's do another one. Super spellers, are you ready to do one more rhyming word? Okay, let's see if we can find 2 words that rhyme. Let's get one word up first, okay? All right, let's see what it is. I see an R, I see a U, and I see a G. Okay. Rug. Rug. A rug, like you put in your house sometimes on the floor. Okay, so that's the sound we're looking for, rug. Let's see what we got here. Okay, start at the front. What is this? So squishy, so bright orange. This is Play-Doh. Let's see if that rhymes. Play-Doh, rug. Nope. The first one was definitely not it. Okay. Oh. Do you know what this is, super spellers? Yes, this is a toothbrush. Okay, this is what you use to keep your teeth nice and clean, right? In the morning and before bed, you brush your teeth with a toothbrush. All right, let's say it and see if it rhymes with rug. Toothbrush, rug. No, toothbrush is such a long word and rug is such a little word, and they don't have the same sounds. Okay, so that's not it. Oh, I remember these. Do you remember when we went to the pumpkin farm and we learned about gourds? Yeah, this is a gourd, and it's very green. Look at its stem. It's so twisty. Okay, let's try this one. Gourd, rug. Now let's try it the other way around. Rug, gourd. No, Doesn't matter if you say one first or one last. It's the same. Doesn't rhyme. Okay. What's this? Okay, it's a yellow rectangle and it has some like little square holes in it. Do you super spellers know what this is? I'll give you a hint. It's a musical instrument. Yeah, this is called a harmonica, and it makes like a sound when you blow into it. Let's try it. Did you hear that? Okay, let's see if it rhymes. Rug harmonica. No, definitely not. We have two more things. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is heavy. This is like made out of concrete or something. This is a little guy. Sometimes you see them outside on people's gardens or on their lawns. This is called a gnome. He has like a white beard and a pointy cap on his head. Let's see if that word rhymes with the word rug. Ready? Gnome rug. Nope. Well, we have one guy left. Let's look at him. Do you think this is it? Yeah, me too. Do you know what it is? It's a bug. Okay, let's listen. Ready? Bug, rug. Rug, bug. Yeah, we did it. Oh my goodness. Great job helping me. Seeing which one matched the word. Wow. Okay, you keep on spelling and you keep on rhyming. See you next time. Bye.
Hey parents, thanks for checking out my video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram at Spellerella Official. And you can contact me at info@spellerella.com.